How to endorse skills on LinkedIn. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the search bar type in www.linkedin.com. Once you do so, get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now let's go ahead and click onto the search bar and search for the name of any person that you would like to endorse. Also be noted that you can only endorse a person who has a connection with you on LinkedIn. Now once you search for this person, scroll below until you see skills section. Under here you can see this person has two skills. One is digital marketing and another is content strategy. Let's go ahead and click on endorse digital marketing. Click on to endorse and now it shows endorsed. Just like so, this is how you can endorse skills on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.